Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix the OnePlus driver issue in Windows to fast boot your OnePlus device. I use the ADB command to list my attached plus one device. Then reboot the attached mobile phone. The fast boot command does not work as we need to install the driver. Download and run the official installer to install the USB driver for your mobile phone. When you open the device manager, you will notice that there is a problem. Try again to fix the issue by pointing to the driver which has been installed a minute ago. Press Update Driver, then navigate to the installation folder. Windows encounters a problem during installation. According to this error message, the driver was not signed for some reason, as far as I understand. Therefore, the installation fails. To fix the problem, you need to restart Windows and select the option to disable driver signature enforcement. Press the cursor down key a few times, then press Enter to enter troubleshoot. Here you can change the Windows startup settings. Press the Restart button. Press the F7 key or the 7 key on the right-hand side of the numeric keypad. Windows will restart with driver signature enforcement disabled. Reinstall the driver or select the device and use the update function. I'm going to reinstall the official USB driver. This time, a warning will appear. To proceed, select the bottom option to install the driver software despite the warning, as Windows is unable to verify the manufacturer due to the driver being unsigned. Rerun the ADB commands. Then reboot Bootloader. Finally, try the fast boot command again. The command should now execute successfully, allowing you to proceed with unlocking the bootloader of your OnePlus X mobile device. For a more detailed guide on the process, I recommend checking out the in-depth article on how to unlock the bootloader on OnePlus phones. By following the steps outlined in this video, you should now have successfully unlocked the bootloader of your OnePlus device. Thanks for watching. Hope you found the video helpful. See you in the next one.